The breathtaking state of Gujarat, situated in the western coast of India, is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the country. The state is reputed for its rich cultural heritage, historical significance, handicrafts, and innumerable tourist attractions. Apart from being one of the most industrialized regions in India, Gujarat is also a major tourist hub of the nation. A land of mysticism, vibrant colors, and infinite natural beauty, Gujarat never fails to charm its many visitors. Historical places. The historical places of Gujarat invites pilgrims and historians from all around the world. While some places like Lakshmi Vilas Palace define sheer grandeur, landmarks like Dwarkadhish Temple and Dholavira narrate tales of legendary past. There are a number of historical places to visit in Gujarat like Sun Temple, Somnath Temple, Rani Ki Vav, Sidi Sayyid Mosque, Aina Mahal Palace, Champane Jain Temple, etc. Some other exciting places to visit are Satpura Hill Station, Statue of Unity, Run of Kutch, Sabarmati Ashram, etc. Rivers. Gujarat is blessed with a bountiful supply of rivers which adorns the entire state. The places around the rivers are developed for tourists as well as commercial and government purposes. These rivers, just like the other river systems in India, are worshipped and held sacred by the local population. There are total 17 rivers in Gujarat mainland, 71 in Saurashtra and 97 in Kutch region. Narmada River is the longest river of Gujarat. Other rivers are Sabarmati River, Mahi River, Hiran River, etc. Waterfalls. While talking of the various scenic gems found within the state, we should not miss out the various waterfalls that Gujarat has. These waterfalls look sublime and inspire a feeling of awe on the onlookers. Some of the famous waterfalls of Gujarat are Gira Waterfall, Ninai Waterfall, Girmal Waterfall, Jamjir Waterfall, etc. Lakes. Lakes are the huge water bodies of crystal clear water that add life and vivacity to the state. Some of the lakes come with great religious significance, while others make refreshing picnic spots. Also, there are lakes that serve as notable flocking hotspot for varied species of migratory birds. In other words, lakes like beautifier are those scintillating emerald water bodies making Gujarat more beautiful. There are total 105 lakes in Gujarat. Kankaria Lake is the biggest lake of Gujarat. Other lakes are Nal Sarovar Lake, Amir Sagar Lake, Lakhota Lake, Sursagar Lake, Satpura Lake and Gomti Lake. Wildlife. Gujarat is an absolute treat for the nature lovers as its rich variety of flora and fauna makes home to 402 species of animals and 45 species of birds. The jungles of Gujarat are home to a sizable population of extinct species, namely sloth bear, Asiatic lions, greater flamingo, black buck, Indian wild ass, Indian bustard, to name a few. With 21 wildlife sanctuaries and 4 national parks in its vicinity, Gujarat is truly a wildlife buff empyrean and a perfect place for wildlife gateway in India. Soil. Gujarat is rich in the fertility of soil as a great variety of soil are found there. The plains and the peninsulas constitute two basic soil regions of the state. The southern part of the Gujarat plains show deep black soils. The central Gujarat possesses sandy loam soil, locally called Goradu, which is highly fertile. The Gorado region of Gujarat is called the Garden of Gujarat because of its amazing fertility in raising crops in abundance. The Kathiawar and Kutch peninsulas contain soils derived from Deccan lava, but each one of them has its peculiarities. The northern parts of Jamnagar, Rajkot, Surendranagar contains alluvium sandy soils. Minerals. Gujarat is rich in mineral resources, especially in petroleum. The major mineral resources of Gujarat are natural gas, limestone, manganese, bauxite, china clay, fire clay, calcite, dolomite, fluorspar, gypsum, bentonite, quartz, silica, sand, and steatite. Some amazing facts about Gujarat. Largest coastline. It may be hard to believe, but Gujarat has the largest coastline that runs for about 1,215 kilometers. Dairy production. Gujarat is home to one of the country's largest dairy production brand, Amul. First port of India. The first seaport in India was established in the city of Lothal. World's tallest statue. The statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, known as the Statue of Unity, stands 182 meters tall, is located in Gujarat. Highest sugar consumption. Gujarat is known to consume the highest amount of sugar in the country. That probably explains the long list of mouth-watering sweet dishes that are loved by everyone across the country. Safest state. Gujarat is also known as one of the safest states in the country. The crime rate in the state is the lowest as compared to any other state, and this is definitely a good assurance for the tourists. Diamond Center. Surat is the hub for diamond trade. The city refines close to 80% of diamonds from all across the world. Greenest city. It is believed that Gandhinagar, which is situated 23 kilometers from Ahmedabad, is the greenest city in Asia. The city is said to have close to 50% of its land covered in greenery, and with that much greenery, there is no doubt that the air is as pure as it can get.